The tragedy in Texas has many of us asking yet again, how do we talk to our children about mass shootings? Today, we spoke with a local psychiatrist about how parents should approach these tough conversations. 3 News Now reporter Ron Johnson joins us live in the newsroom tonight with that part of the story. Ron.
Yeah, Mark, good evening. There's been a lot of talk about mental health in general over these past few years. Mass shootings like the one today in Texas have a way of forcing us all to assess how we process something so violent. Images of yet another mass shooting are once again flooding our screens. Processing them can be difficult at any age.
I was kind of shocked. I mean, it seems like these shootings and violence are happening more and more frequently.
Dr. Jennifer McWilliams is the division chief of psychiatry at Children's Hospital. She says when we see these kinds of upsetting images, it's important to use that opportunity for a healthy discussion.
By ignoring it or shutting down the conversations, that actually intensifies some of that anxiety and fear.
Secondly, for families, she says balance is important, making sure kids don't get overwhelmed.
These are unspeakable events, and they are happening more frequently. Um, with that said, it's not happening, every day in every city. And so kind of keeping that perspective, be able to show your child, model how to, okay, we know what's going on. Let's turn media off for a little while. Let's doing something positive as a family.
Finally, she says it's important to see and be reminded of the good people that respond to these kinds of situations.
Think about all of the positive people in that environment, all of the teachers, all of the first responders, law enforcement, EMS that came and are helping those kids.
Dr. McWilliams says at a time when kids are already under so much stress, mental health matters now more than ever.
This is just one more drop in the bucket. So if, parents and caregivers do find that their kid is, especially struggling right now, to not be afraid to reach out and ask for help.
Dr. McWilliams says it can be difficult for parents to avoid getting desensitized to mass shootings given their frequency. She also says it's important to know how to talk to your child. Live in the newsroom tonight, Ron Johnson, 3 News Now.